The rotary mouse is more than just a mouse. It comes with a built-in jog wheel for video editing. Here's what you can do with it in DaVinci Resolve. You can glide across your timeline, zoom in and out smoothly, adjust track heights, and even control the source viewer, all with its rotary scroll wheel. Let's take a look. Scrubbing is where this mouse really shines. Hold down Control key or Command key on Mac, then rotate the wheel. Each tactile step gives you precise frame-by-frame control. You can turn slowly like how you use a standard mouse, or spin it faster to move quickly through your timeline. If the direction feels off, you can reverse it in your settings. The other trick is that you can hold down the middle button by pressing the center of the rotary wheel and drag the mouse to gently move the timeline. Again, press down on the middle of the wheel and drag. It's a more fluid, grab-and-move kind of navigation. Another feature is zooming in and out of the timeline. You simply hold down the Alt key or Option key and turn the rotary wheel. Rotate anti-clockwise to zoom out and clockwise to zoom in. This gives you fast, seamless zoom control without touching the keyboard or UI. You can also zoom in and out of the source viewer. Place the mouse pointer on the viewer and simply rotate the dial. Turn the dial anti-clockwise to zoom out and clockwise to zoom in. You can also increase the height of the video and audio tracks. To do that, hold down the Shift key and turn the rotary wheel clockwise or counterclockwise. This is important when you're working with multiple stacked tracks with limited space. The same applies to audio tracks, making waveforms much easier to read. Get your rotary mouse now to work with DaVinci Resolve. Go to rotarymouse.com.